Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. And if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to share your screen on Google Meet via your PC. So at first, you must enter into your Google Meet account. You can just type Google Meet on your browser, and the first link that pops up is the official link from Google itself. So after you are on this page, you must enter a Google Meet or a meeting to share your screen, or you can even host a meeting. I've already taught you guys on the previous video, which is listed right down in the description below. So as of now, I'm gonna enter a meeting. So let's type in the code. It's VVVVUKVAYF. So I'm gonna join in now. I'm gonna turn off the video and microphone as of now. So there are two ways to present your screen or share your screen on Google Meet. You can directly enter the meeting by presenting or sharing your screen by clicking right here, or you can enter the meeting and share your screen later in the meeting itself. So I'm going to teach you the latter one. So let's join now. So as you guys can see, I'm already inside the meeting, and to join your screen or to share your screen now, you need to find this button right here where it's written present now. So after you click on that, you need to decide whether you want to share your entire screen or just a window. I want to share my entire screen, so I'm going to click on this one, and they will ask for some permission. You just need to allow them, and after allowing it, my screen will be shared. So as you guys can see now, my screen is being presented, and whatever I do on my screen, it will all be shown on the meet, and everybody on the meeting can see what I'm sharing. So to stop the meeting or stop sharing your screen on the meeting, you just need to click on the stop sharing button and you'll be done. So I believe I've taught you guys how to share your screen on Google Meet, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.